Guys, we're going to learn 2 new formulas today. Luckily enough, both of these formulas are ones that are given in the exam at GCSE. The only problem is with a cone, it's actually given as the area of the base times the height. So a third times the area of a circle times the height. But we all know that the area of a circle is just pi r squared. So on this one, all I'm going to do is a third times pi times, remember r stands for the radius of the circle, which is the measurement from the centre to the outside, so times 8 squared, and then times by, and the height in this case is 11, and this is it. That's how you do the volume of a cone. You literally chuck it straight into your calculator. So 1/3. Remember, if you haven't got a fraction button on your calculator, just put brackets, 1 divided by 3, close your bracket, and it'll give you a third. Okay, times by, and then if you click shift and your times 10 to the power of something button, you'll have a pi symbol. So we've got a third pi times 8 squared times 11. Chuck that into our calculator and we get an answer to 1 decimal place of 737.2 centimetres cubed, because it's volume. And that's it. That is the volume of a cone. Okay, one thing to look out for is that this one gives us the measurement all the way across the cone as 14 centimetres, which means my radius still only goes from the centre to the outside. So the centre to the outside is a radius of 7. So I do a third times pi times my radius is 7 squared times my height, which is 5. So we're going to set everything up exactly like we did last time. So I've got 1/3 times pi times 7 squared times 5. Chuck it in your calculator, you get 256.6 centimetres cubed. Be careful with your rounding. Okay, and then once you've done cones, you've got volume of a sphere. Okay, it's 4/3 pi r cubed. Only thing to be careful of is, yet again, radius goes from the centre to the outside of your circle, or your sphere in this case. So this one is just 4/3 times pi times radius is 9 cubed, and you're going to type in exactly as it's written there. So 4/3 pi r cubed, and I get, remember, if it comes up like that, S to D button, and it turns it into a decimal, I get 3053.6 centimetres cubed. Okay, these will be quite big numbers for spheres. Now remember, if you're given the measurement all the way across, that's our diameter. I need radius. Radius is only halfway. So half of 11 gives me a radius of 5.5. So I'm going to do 4/3 times pi times 5.5 cubed. That gives me 696.9, sorry, battery's dying there, centimetres cubed. And that's it, guys. That's volume of a sphere. Okay, any problems, let me know, but you've got a worksheet to go through on these topics.